Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this soap-free facial cleanser for winters, which is suitable for all skin types. During winters, when you wash your face with soap or face wash, they tend to dry the skin and make it more prone to infection and irritations. So when you use this soap-free facial cleanser, they keep it cleansed, nourished and moisturized throughout the winters. If you want to know how I made this, please continue watching. To make this soap-free facial cleanser powder, I am using few skin-loving ingredients. In that, first comes the oats. When you grind it, it becomes oatmeal and it has the properties to cleanse your skin because it has compounds called saponins, which is a natural cleanser. They remove the dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate the skin gently. The next ingredient would be some clay. I am using French green clay, which is beneficial in removing impurities and tightening the pores, which also tones the skin. If you don't have this, you can also use multani mitti or even kaolin clay. When you use French green clay, this gives the greenish tinge to the cleanser. So this can be used on face and on your body also. So if you don't know where to buy this, then I'll leave the link in the description box. The next ingredients would be few petals. I'm using rose petals and marigold petals. These are the petals which I had dried at home, and this is versatile petals which can be used for any sort of skin treatment. They have powerful antioxidants and revitalizing agents which will reduce acne, rashes, pimples and any blemishes. So these are the few ingredients which make the cleanser and which is soap free. The method would be to grind all the dry and coarse ingredients to a fine powder. In this, I am taking 2 tablespoons of oats and 1 tablespoon each of the flower petals. So I have to grind this into a fine powder. Make sure that the mixer jar is dry and also the petals are dry. So after you grind it into fine powder, this is how it looks. Now it's the time to mix the green clay which I am taking. I will be adding 2 tablespoons of this French green clay into this mixture. If you are using kaolin clay or multani mitti, then you should be taking 2 tablespoons also. The main purpose of this clay is to pull out the excess dirt or oil which is clogging the pore, and the oatmeal which you are using in this cleanser will give back the moisturization which the skin requires after you clean it. The petals which you have used will give the softness to the skin. So this becomes a complete soap-free cleanser. Once you add everything, then you should give a good mix so that it forms into a even textured or even powder. When you touch this powder, you can feel the smoothness because of all the ingredients which you have used. Now to store it, you need 100 ml jar so that you can keep it in the refrigerator or even at room temperature for more than 1 or 2 months, depending on the quantity you have made. And to use it, you can store it in another container, like I have used a long container so that I can just drop it from there, or even you can use a small plastic bottle so that you can keep near your sink and use it whenever you want to wash your face. Make sure that you don't introduce any moisture into this powder because it may get spoiled. To use this, all you need is to take 1 teaspoon of this powder. If you have a dry skin, then you can apply vitamin E oil beforehand on your face and then use this cleanser to wash off. If you have oily skin, then you can use 1 teaspoon of yogurt, mix it well and then apply on your face, or even rose water or plain water also would do. After you have made a paste in your palm, you need to apply the paste on your face and massage it slightly in a circular motion so that it removes all the dirt and exfoliates the skin. It also cleanses the skin. The abrasive properties of the oatmeal what you have used will help to cleanse your skin and keep it clean. So this is the vitamin E capsule if you want to apply beforehand. If you have dry skin, you can also use coconut oil. So this is the inexpensive way of making the mild cleanser at home. So if you want to know DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for